Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to replace missing values in SPSS. In our last lecture, we discussed about the finding of missing values, that how to find missing values if there is any missing value exists in our data. So today we will discuss the replacement of these values. So let's check. I have two variables here. The first one is age variable and the second one is years. So the first variable age is a quantitative type variable and we have one missing value here. So let's check how to fill this series. Go to transform. I am only discuss age now. The second one will be discussed later, and then I will tell about the difference between these two series, that what is the difference between these age and years, because year is a time series variable. So the replacement of this value will be a little change from this one. So let's check for age. Go to transform and scroll down to the replace missing values. Click on this one. Put your age variable here in this box, and you don't need to change anything here. Series means, what is mean by series mean? They will plus all these values and divide by the number of values. It means that they will calculate the arithmetic mean of these values and put that arithmetic mean here in this box. So let's check. Click on OK. Another variable, here we can see age 1. So now we can see that 57.8, they put 57.8 value here in this instead of this one missing values. What they do, they do the arithmetic mean. They calculate the arithmetic mean of these values and put that arithmetic mean here for these values. So now if you want to calculate the arithmetic mean of these nearby values, not for all values, so you will change the series. Go to replace missing values and put your original age variable here, and now change this one, mean of nearby points. Now they will not calculate the arithmetic mean for all these values. They will calculate only the arithmetic mean of these two values or some other values like 74, 85, 52 and 47, but not for all these values. So if you click on mean of nearby points, then you can also click on change button. So now click on OK. You can also replace this age variable with this one. So click on OK, and now you can check this one. Now you can see that the missing value has been replaced by 64.5. In the previous age one, here the values was 57, which is the arithmetic mean of all these values, but 64.5 is the arithmetic mean of, like, I think these four values, which is the nearby points of this missing values. So let me clear this one. Now we are going to discuss the time series type data. What is the difference between some other values and time series data? So let's discuss here from the analysis. Go to transform and replace missing values. Reset all these. Put your year variable here. And now you will click on mean of nearby points, because they will calculate the mean of these three values and put the missing value here. Like if you change this one and click on OK, you can see here that they will put 95. It means that 95 was missing. So 1994, 1996, they will put 1995 here. But if you calculate the arithmetic mean of all these values, like in series mean, so what they will put? Let's check here, and now click on series mean, and let's check what is the difference between these two. Click on OK and click OK. Now, now you can see that they put 1998.2 here, which is I think actually wrong, because the year is missing is 1995. So for 1998, what they do? They do that they put the arithmetic mean of all these values and put the value here 1998. So whenever you have time series data, you will click on mean of nearby points, not for series mean. But if you have a quantitative simple data, you can check both methods. But the simplest one is that you will fill the series mean. Okay, so this is our today lecture, and inshallah we will discuss in the next lecture the descriptives and some other things. Thank you for watching.